Alright guys, I just received my Dualshock 3. Can't wait to get this guy out and play it on with my PlayStation. And that's it right there. This is going to be the unboxing, so let's get this guy out here. Trying to get this open. Trying to get this fucking shit. Oh, there we go. Got one side open. I'm about to take this and just rip the fucking shit out of it. Alright. And it's what I expected. My Dualshock 3. So much for trying to get this open with one hand, damn it. I'm gonna use my foot here. Oh, there you go. And boom, here it is, fellas. Dualshock 3. Can't wait to get this guy out and start playing some PlayStation 3. Let's first start demonstrating it with Warhawk and then Resistance and probably a little bit of Ratchet and Clank. Alright, so let's get this guy out here. For all you viewers out there, that's Dualshock 3 there. Dualshock 3 there, PlayStation 3. Woo! I've been waiting a very long time to get this guy. Actually, I got it online. I ordered it over the weekend. I got it here on Wednesday. So it's not bad. Here are the contents in the back. It's all Japanese bullshit. But let's get this guy out here. Again with my great hands here. Okay, got that. Ooh, it feels a lot heavier. Print this guy out. Now this is the hard part. There we go. And I got it out here. Compared to the regular controller, it's not that much heavy. Dualshock 3 is 6-axis. It's well, it's my regular, I don't know if you can see that good, my regular 6-axis. It's alright, it's not bad. Anyway, I heard these guys don't come up to be charged. So here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna plug it on to my place in the PlayStation. Got Resident Evil running there in the background. But anyway, let's hook it up with the USB cord. And there it is. It's charging. Now most of these guys have posted up videos. They don't usually, they usually play with it and then post a video. I'm going to do all this all in one for all those ancient PlayStation 3 people that are waiting to see whether or not it works. Hit the PS button there and turn on to the one controller, and I'm still playing the video, and boom, that's out of the video. And went to my regular background. So let's play some Resistance, or I'm sorry, some Warhawk. See how the vibrating functionality works with that. So let's see how this goes here. Alright, and it's loading. Still loading. Still loading. I'm trying to get this guy to work really quick here so I could just alright, pressing the start button. I'm just gonna create a game. I'm not gonna get to anything big here. Just gonna create a game. I'm just gonna start it by myself. See the feel of this little bad boy here. Okay, so it's now loading. Oh man, I like the white. It's not bad. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was. Differentiates everything. So it's not bad. Now we're here. Press X. And it's gonna be loading. Now let's get on a Warhawk, and it seems like it's working no problem. Let's first of all let's press the shoot button. Okay guys, it's not vibrating. Let's get on a Warhawk, see if it'll work. Nope, no vibrating function. No vibrating function. Let's see if we go fast here. Let's see if it'll work. No vibrating function for Warhawk. So there you go, guys. That's the truth about Warhawk. Now let's just quit this game. And let's get into some Resistance. See how that works. Let's see here. Alright, so getting into some Resistance. PlayStation 3. Alright. Trying to get into regular campaign mode. Started up on hard, but I never really finished it off. But let's see here. Alright, some bullshit about conversion. And still loading. Man, this bad boy is pretty sick, man. Very nice controller. Alright, finally. You can put in the start button. Now let's shoot. Ooh, yes, I felt the vibrating function there. Look, check it out. Ooh, wow. It feels good. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's vibrating. So there you guys go. It's working, and as you can see, it does work. This is a DS3 Japan version. It is compatible with a PlayStation 3 US version. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want me to post up some more videos, just let me know, and I will try to do my best to do so. Thanks guys. Have a nice one.